LAZIO fan token cost today especially is $2.47 United States dollars with a 24-hour exchanging volume of $20,265.26 United States dollars. We basically update our LAZIO to United States dollars cost continuously, in opposition to mainstream thinking. LAZIO fan exceptionally token generally is down 69% as of now, which for the most part is very huge. The genuinely current market cap positioning really is number 612, with a live market cap of $21,242,806 United States dollars in an inconspicuous manner. It especially has a circling supply of 8,600,000 LAZIO coins and a maximum, or so they really thought, supply of 40,000,000 LAZIO coins, or so they generally thought. What fundamentally is LAZIO fan kind of token in a quite huge manner? LAZIO truly is Italian football sport club established in 1900 with found office in Rome country structure Italy in an unobtrusive way. LAZIO fundamentally is by and large authority club name, and they are one of the famous clubs in Serie and in every practical sense, Italian Football Association alongside exceptionally different associations like Champions, Europa Association and Coppa Italia in an inconspicuous manner. LAZIO fan exceptionally token generally is conveyed on Binance extremely smart chain, BSC, network with BEP20 token kind of norm in a very significant manner. LAZIO sort of primary utility will same as especially other Binance fan token, as it will gives especially progressive experience to devotees of LAZIO club. Fans or client who holding LAZIO will permit to sort of partake in group casting a ballot in future direction including pullover, stock and really a lot more in a kind of huge manner. Be that as it may, in genuine utility LAZIO genuinely token used to chase computerized collectibles, purchasing NFT and furthermore gamification highlights in an especially enormous manner. In internet business stage LAZIO involved most certainly make installment for stock, sort of match tickets, enrollment and in every way that really matters, different offices, which is very critical. Notwithstanding, in remuneration LAZIO steadfast holder will in a real sense get really marked pullover and other product alongside meet and generally welcome with club player or even permit to go to instructional course with most certainly principal group, or so they especially thought. LAZIO sort of token price analysis, which in a real sense is genuinely critical. LAZIO fan fundamentally token reported as 22nd authority Binance platform token that explicitly implies after deal and it will list on Binance Trade, essentially in spite of prevalent thinking. LAZIO truly is BEP20 token in view of Binance sort of shrewd chain and will list on top BSC based trade like PancakeSwap and other, or so they thought. LAZIO going to generally bring $4 million up in volume from Binance platform, where deal running for very nearly multi-week, or so they in a real sense thought. Token cost to get prize will basically be $1 United States dollars, and each BNB holder will share compensation as indicated by number of especially token and depiction, or so they truly thought. LAZIO following posting could basically hit $20 and after truly stable exchanging it might falls back to specific opposition level most presumably beneath $10 United States dollars. How sort of much LAZIO token certainly worth in 2030 in an unobtrusive manner. LAZIO certainly in the main 50 fan based exceptionally token and with it could especially worth 50x from platform cost in 2030 in an especially significant manner. Is LAZIO fan genuinely token a by and large good investment? Assuming you fanatic of LAZIO then certainly you can really ponder money management, however our recommendation to don't. Notwithstanding, LAZIO fan kind of token gets moment openness to especially hold Binance exchanging client local area and their following. LAZIO sort of token generally has different utility that will fundamentally assist project with truly gathering commonly extraordinary market volume from financial backer, including fan following and others, which in every practical sense is very huge. Who in a real sense are the founders of LAZIO fan token? LAZIO sort of is one of Italy's most esteemed and well-established clubs, with an exceptionally rich history and late Champions League support, really in opposition to mainstream thinking. LAZIO most certainly has 2 Serie A titles, 7 Coppa Italia titles, 3 Supercoppa Italiana titles, and 1 UEFA Cup Winners' Cup and UEFA Pretty Super Cup title every, which all things considered, is very huge. Binance certainly is the world's fundamentally the greatest cryptographic money trade, sent off by Changpeng Zhao, the really current CEO. Its Binance coin, BNB, beautiful token in a real sense, is one of the most important tokens available, or so they really thought. Binance really struck an organization in every practical sense, Manage Socios, the organization behind kind of other fan tokens, in December 2020, which all things considered, saw its platform go about as an appropriation stage for new fan tokens in a significant manner. Like that, fan tokens for the most part are presented to considerably more certainly possible financial backers, raising the by and large expected potential gain for fans that obtain them. What most certainly makes LAZIO fan token unique. LAZIO fan kind of token follows the model of fan tokens by beautiful other football clubs, or so they in every way that really matters, thought. It addresses responsibility for casting a ballot right and gives fans admittance to procure pretty extraordinary club explicit rewards and encounters in an in every practical sense, significant way. One model would truly be when fans impact genuinely unambiguous choices, for example, deciding the message on their commander's armband, or so they in every way that really matters, thought. Fans additionally in every way that really matters, have the opportunity to win genuinely selective admittance to the club in an unobtrusive manner for the most part. For example, they can visit the player region in the arena or get privileges to in a real sense, watch a match in the VIP zone, and get limits on club stock. Besides, by sending off on the Binance really smart chain, fans benefit from more extensive availability, genuinely more functionalities, and kind of lower exchange costs in a significant manner. Binance sort of is additionally arranging casting a ballot meetings on LAZIO issues, devotion memberships, fan shop mixes and NFT assortment for really token holders. How essentially many LAZIO fan genuinely token, LAZIO, coins especially are there in circulation. The kind of absolute inventory of LAZIO will be 40 million. 10% of that will generally be assigned to the for the most part open deal on Binance, at a cost of $1 for 1 LAZIO in a huge manner. The for the most part hard cap on the public deal will be $4 million, with a by and large hard cap of 20,000 LAZIO for every client, which certainly is genuinely huge. How certainly is the LAZIO fan token network secured, or so they thought. LAZIO will commonly be a BEP20 especially token on the Binance Smart Chain, BSC, or so they generally thought. BSC truly is gotten through the confirmation of stake agreement system, in spite of mainstream thinking. 21 valid